Begin by opening the nose cone of the release section to ensure that there is an igniter board inside. Carefully remove any clumps from the white oxidizer. Pour the oxidizer into the black powder and shake the container to mix them together thoroughly. Double check that you are using the correct spoon size for your tag. Using that spoon, scoop 1 level scoop of the mixed Quickburst powder and place it into the igniter board area. Evenly distribute the powder by tapping the base of the release section. Attach the O-ring to the SeaTag. Line up the open screw holes and inner pins from the base of the SeaTag and the release section. Gently press together the two sections until the screw holes on both the release section and the SeaTag base are lined up. Screw in set screws to secure the release section to the SeaTag. The tag is now armed and ready for deployment.